So the Nifties are now live, and I'm going to show you here with an early version how it works to offset your flight. So I'm going to iata.org to calculate the carbon footprint from a flight that I recently took from Copenhagen to Lusaka via Doha. So I'm filling in everything here, and that will give me a number of kilo CO2. So and there are many calculators like this. This gives me 627 kgs for that flight. Now I open the Impacts X app that I've downloaded from the App Store. And here I have different Nifties in this wallet. And I'm opening one of them. I'm clicking on the collection, my collection, and I'm going to a Nifty here. I'm first going to claim the carbon from this one. So here I click claim carbon, and it will do so. This is all happening in the background, but it's showing, and also when I sign it, it gives a very transparent record of exactly what happened. And as with blockchain, this is permanent and immutable. That record is accessible to anyone to see and is always going to be there. So here I'm opening the record. It's not something you have to do, but it's good to know it's possible. So I'm going back to the app now. So now I have claimed the carbon. I have carbon. So 1 carbon equals 1 kg. So I now have the carbon to offset. There it is, and I'm going to click on offset. I'm going to fill in the amount. And you can put a comment or a reason there. And I sign it. So that will now be imprinted on the blockchain, and it will also be a permanent record. And there we can see it. So that's it. That's how simple it is.